Hello and welcome to my academy. Today we are going to talk about an overview of photosynthesis. In the coming lectures, we will discuss the biochemistry of photosynthesis in a brief. Without wasting any time, let us get started. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a physiochemical process by which photosynthetic organisms convert light energy into the chemical energy in the form of reducing power as NADPH and ATP and use these chemicals to drive carbon dioxide fixation. The word photosynthesis consists of two parts. The photo means light and synthesis means combining together. Besides plants, the photosynthesis takes place in the cyanobacteria and purple bacteria. The green plants are also called the mechanical transducers. Plants transform solar energy or light energy into the chemical energy by the process of photosynthesis. This chemical energy is stored in the form of carbohydrates or sugar that plants use as their food. This process of making food in plants involves a series of reactions whose prerequisites are solar energy, carbon dioxide, and water. During the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide enters through the stomata. Water is absorbed by the root hairs from the soil and is carried to the leaves through the xylem vessels. Chlorophyll absorbs the light energy from the sun to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen from the water molecules and the carbon dioxide absorbed from the air are used in the production of glucose. Furthermore, oxygen is liberated out into the atmosphere through the leaves as a waste product. The actual process of the photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplasts. The most important part of the photosynthesis occurs in the chloroplast. The chloroplasts are double membrane cell organelles. These small photosynthetic factories buried within the leaves houses chlorophyll, a green pigment secreted in the chloroplast membranes. Chlorophyll absorbs a wide range of spectrum of sunlight, giving the plant as much energy as it can for its reactions. Photosynthesis equation. Photosynthesis reaction involves two reactants, carbon dioxide and water. These two reactants yield two products, namely oxygen and glucose. Hence, the photosynthesis reaction is considered to be an endothermic reaction. The process of photosynthesis occurs in two stages: the light dependent reaction or light reaction, light independent reaction or dark reaction. Light dependent process includes a series of events such as light absorption, hydrolysis and release of oxygen, formation of ATP and NADPH. There are two photosystems in the plants. Photosystem first absorbs light at the wavelength of 700 nanometers, whereas photosystem second absorbs light at the wavelength of 680 nanometers. The light reaction occurs in the grana of the chloroplast. Light independent or dark reaction. Dark reaction is also called carbon fixing reaction. In the dark reaction, plants use carbon dioxide with ATP and NADPH from light reactions to produce sugar. The dark reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. This completes an overview of photosynthesis. If you like the video, then do subscribe and share. Thank you.